Here are the best free alternatives and why they're worth using. First is DaVinci Resolve. It's free and extremely powerful. You get professional editing tools, advanced color grading, and great audio features. If you want your videos to look more cinematic and polished, Resolve is the best free upgrade, but it does take a little time to learn. Second is Shotcut. Shotcut is completely free and open source, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's great for straightforward editing, like cutting clips, adding text, transitions, and effects, and exporting without weird restrictions. It's not as template-based as CapCut, but it's reliable and flexible. Third is Clipchamp. Clipchamp is beginner-friendly and works right in your browser. It's perfect for quick social media edits, resizing for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, and getting a clean export fast without installing heavy software. Fourth is VN Video Editor. If you want a CapCut style editor on mobile, VN is one of the best free choices. It's fast, easy to use, and gives you more control with layers, keyframes, and clean timing tools, which is great for everyday creators. Fifth is iMovie. If you're on iPhone or Mac, iMovie is still one of the smoothest free editors. It's simple, polished, and great for quick edits with titles, music, and clean exports. So here's the quick pick. DaVinci Resolve for pro-level desktop editing, Shotcut for free open source flexibility, Clipchamp for the easiest browser editing, VN for a CapCut like mobile workflow, and iMovie for Apple users